Yo guys, trade recap time. This is episode 2 on the channel, and today we had another great day. So let me run you guys through the trade itself. Okay, so let me just minimize this. So as you can see, I'm up $1,400. I have 3 days left on a payout for that one. Including today. I copy traded this account, so this is my first trade on this account, as you can see. Second trade on this account, and then on the leading account that I've used for the copy trader, I'm up around 3% on it. So that's all good stuff. So let me run you through today's trade breakdown and exactly what I was thinking. Okay, so let me move everything out of the way. Why is this being weird? Okay. So going into the hourly. On the hourly time frame, or on the 4-hour time frame, let me save that. On the 4-hour time frame, we did have a few areas where I would want price to go, which was this 4-hour gap here. We actually, once market opened, we pretty much filled that instantly. But we did have this 1 minute imbalance here. This 1 minute imbalance right here. Once we opened on market open, let me just cut all this out for you. There we go. Yeah, so essentially market opened here, and we literally traded straight to this 1-hour gap, and then I was literally just looking for a good confirmation on this 1-hour gap. So as you can see here, came in, there wasn't an S&T, but we did break this low right here, and I actually got in on the 2-minute time frame. Let me just change it for you. I got in on the 2-minute time frame after we completely inversed this. After we completely inversed this gap here, I got in on the candle close, which was this candle. So I literally got in here. Stops right at the high. I was quite low risk on this. I risked around, I think it was around a quarter or 3/4, 0.75%. And literally where I was aiming is we had, well, if you look on the 5-minute, look at how much trendline liquidity we had going into market open. Look at how much trendline liquidity we had. Like, you can literally go from this low all the way to here. There's so much trendline liquidity. Obviously, it's a Monday. I don't want to take that big of a risk or reward. So I literally, my initial target was here at these lows of this trendline liquidity here. I wanted to just take that low basically. We did eventually do that, and that would have been a 1 to 3, but instead I actually took out at these equal lows here. These equal lows here is where I actually took my trade. I literally, as you can see, I literally took it for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 2.5 at these equal lows here. Obviously, I pretty much knew that this would have got swept at some point, but I didn't know how far of a retracement we had to go back in, and I was already trailing my stops anyway, so I thought I'll just take at these equal lows. So yeah, that's the trade. that's the trade recap for today. Another successful day. We've literally got another 3% on this account. Got 2 more trading days on my other account until I can request a payout, and then we've got like 4 and a bit percent on the other account as well. So that was it. A quick in and out trade. I literally made. I'll put the title for how much I made on the thumbnail of the video, but I'm pretty sure we made close to another 2K today. So can't really argue with that shit. So yeah, that was in the space of just under 8 minutes. So I made about 2K in 8 minutes. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, we'll see you in the next trade recap. Appreciate you for watching, and peace.